I'm going to show you how you can retry levels on R.E.P.O. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So basically after this video you will learn how you can try a level again after you lose or the monsters kill you. So all you need to do is go to thunderstar.io and you will see this option to get the Thunderstar app, which is a mod manager. We are gonna download a mod that will add us a button or an option to retry levels. So just click on get app and then download on Overwolf. After you do that, just open the file you just downloaded. In my case, I have it here already, so I'm just gonna open it. Now, after you open it, you will be on this window right here. Just search for the game, which is R.E.P.O, and click on select game. Now, you will need to create a new profile. In my case, I have this one already. I'm gonna delete it real quick. And you will see it like this with no profiles. So just click on create new and set any name you want, for example modded, and create. Now select the profile. So once we are here, we will see this option to get mods, and this is the full list of all the mods available right now. They are launching new mods every day, but the one we are looking for is this one called Just Retry. If you click here, you will see a short description. Are you tired of losing? Just retry. So this is the one we want. Click on download and download with dependencies. So now we can go to my mods and you will see you just downloaded this mod, and you can enable or disable it by clicking right here. And this is a library that is required for most of the mods, so it got installed as well. Now if we want everyone in our lobby to have the same mods, or all our friends to have the same mods, you can click on share, and then you will get this code which you need to copy and send it to your friends, and then they just need to import it. On the profile selection, they just need to click on import from code and paste the profile code. So this way they will install the same mods that you have. After you have the mods, you need to make sure to launch the game from Thunderstar by clicking the button right here which says modded. Don't launch it from Steam or any other method, because it won't work. You need to do it from Thunderstar. This way it will open the game with the mods you have installed, and if this CMD appears, it means that you have installed everything correctly. Now let's check it in game. Okay, so I just went into a single player game and I'm gonna self-destruct so to check if the try again button appears. So I'm just gonna click on self-destruct, and this way I will lose the level, and if I didn't have the mod I will have to start over again. But as you can see, I appear at the same level again and I can try again. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.